Hello learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel Psychology Globe. I am Simran. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. In the last video, I introduced you all to the concept of attention. In this video, we are going to move a little further and we will discuss the types of attention. So there are two types of attention, selective attention and sustained attention. So now let's first discuss the meaning of selective attention. So it is very clear from the word itself, selective means to select something. So selective attention basically means to select a particular or a few stimuli out of a large number of stimuli that are present around us. So why this happens? This happens because our brain, it has a limited perceptual capability. Our brain cannot attend to a lot of information simultaneously. So now we will discuss the factors that work behind selective attention. The first factors are the ones which are external. The external factors, they are related with the stimuli itself. They refer to the intensity of the stimuli. For example, if you are standing on a bus stop and two strangers are coming your way, one is wearing a black t-shirt and the other is wearing a neon t-shirt which is a very bright color. So in 90% of chances, a person is going to pay attention to the one wearing a neon t-shirt. Why? Because the intensity of the stimuli, that is very strong. Now let's talk about the internal factors. Now the internal factors are the ones which are related to the individual himself or herself. The first type of internal factors are motivational factors. Now motivational factors basically refer to our biological or social needs. For example, if I am sitting in a class and doesn't matter how interesting the lecture is, if I am hungry, I will only pay attention to the fact of eating food as fast as I can. Then the second type of internal factor is cognitive factor. So cognitive factors, they basically refer to our general interest and attitudes. For example, we all have a particular favorite subject. Doesn't matter if we try to pay attention in other subjects, but there is one particular subject in which our attention is usually effortless. So this happens because of our interest, which is also known as the cognitive internal factor of attention. Now the second type of attention is sustained attention. Sustained attention basically refers to our ability to concentrate on a particular stimuli for a longer duration. So the factors that it depends on are, first is sensory modality. By sensory modality, we basically mean that the auditory stimuli, they are better attended to as compared to the stimuli which are only visual. A very common example of this would be, for example, on a cloudy day, there is a lot of lightning in the sky. So you will not pay prolonged attention to it, but yes, you will pay a certain attention to thunder in the sky. So this is an example of sensory modality. Now the second factor is clarity of stimuli. The stimuli which are intense, the stimuli which are clear, or the ones which are prolonged for a longer duration, they are better attended to as compared to the ones which are less intense or short. The third factor is temporal uncertainty. So the stimuli which are more regular in their time periods, they are better attended to as compared to the irregular stimuli. The last factor is spatial uncertainty. So the stimuli which are found at fixed places, they will be better attended to as compared to the ones which do not have any particular location. So this was all about the types of attention. I'll be coming up with new concepts very shortly. Till then, goodbye. Be safe. Thank you.